Good day student. Welcome to digital classroom of standard 5th subject mathematics. Student, we are seeing lesson number 9 decimal fractions. Till now we have covered what do you mean by decimal fractions, decimal point, how to convert mixed fraction into decimal form, then use of decimal fractions, place value of the digits in a decimal fraction, how to write half, quarter, 3/4 and 1 1/4 in a decimal form. In today's video, we are going to see how to add decimal fractions. So, for adding of decimal fractions, there are some rules. What are that rules? First, write the digit of the given numbers one below the other such that all the decimal points are in a same vertical line. Means what? You have to put point under point. You have to keep the point under point. It is very important. Addition for decimal is same as addition which we do for whole number. In this, instead of lining it in units and tens place, we line up the decimal point. Second, add as we add whole numbers. Put the decimal point of the sum vertically below the other decimal points. Here you can see they have given the addition. First, they have kept all the decimal points one below the other and they have added. Means how we do the simple addition for whole number. Here is one more example. First we have to align the decimal points and then we have to add. Okay. Now let's see problem set 41. What they have given in first question, convert the following into decimal fractions and add them. Here they have given first one, 1.5 meter and 2.5 meter. In last video we have seen how to write 1.5 meter. Here 1 we will take a whole number. Here half means 1/2, that is equal to 1.2. We know it is 0.5. So how you will write? 1.50 meter. 2.5 meter. We know 2 whole number half meter is equal to 2.50 meter. Now we will add both this meter. So keep in mind that point should come under the point. So 1.50 meter. Now add 2.50 meter. First keep point under point. You will write whole number 2.50 meter. Now we will do here addition. 0, we know 0. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry 1. Point under point. So you will put here decimal point. 4. So 4.00 meter. Now moving on to second, 6.5 meters and 3.75 meters. 6.5 meter means 6 1.5 is equal to, now half means you know 6.50 meter. 3.25 meter. Here it is quarter. Remember 3 1/4, that is equal to 3.75. Quarter means 0.75. Now you will add these two. So how we will do? 6.50 meter plus. Now keep the point under point. 3.75 meter. Now you will do the simple addition. 5, 12, 2 here, carry 1, point under point, 9 plus 1, 10. And you will put a symbol meter. 6.5 meters and 3 3/4 meters. We get answer 10.25 meters. Now, what is given in second question? We have to add 23.4 plus 87.9. 23.4. Now point, you will keep point under point, 87.9. Now do the simple addition. 9 plus 4, 13. Carry 1. 7 plus 3 plus 1, 11. Carry 1, point under point. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. So addition of 23.4 plus 87.9 is 111.3. Now second is 35.74 plus 816.6. 0.74. Now point under point. Now you will put here 6. Now 6, 1, 8. Now remember, if there is no any digit, you will write there 0. Okay. 4 plus 7 plus 6, 13. Carry 1, point under point. 12. Carry 1. 5. And this 8 you will write as it is. So addition is in this way. Now third is 6.95 plus 74.88. 6.95 plus point under point, you will write 88 and 74 whole number as it is. Now here there is no any digit, so you will write 0 over here. 8 plus 5, 13. Carry 1. 9 plus 8 plus 1, 18. Carry 1. 10 plus 1, 11. 7 plus 0 plus 1, 8. 81.83. Now fourth one, 41.03 plus, now point under point, 989, and there is no any number, so you will write 0. 8 plus 3, 11. 10. 9 plus 1, 10. Point 11. 1 here, carry 1. 0 plus 4 plus 1, 5. So in this way you will solve your question number 2. Now moving on, third question. 51.4 centimeter plus 68.5 centimeter. Now here they have given centimeter. Remember, you should write symbol plus centimeter. 68.5. Simple addition you are going to do. 9.9 point under point 11. Now centimeter symbol you will write. Second one, now you can see here, first they have given 94.70, put point under point, 4, 5 you will write as it is. Now here they have given 1738. Now here there is no any digit, so you will put a 0. Meter. Now do the simple addition. 5, 11, 1 here, carry 1, point under point. Remember 12 plus 1, 13, carry 1, 12 plus 1, 13, carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8, here 1. 1833.15 meter. Now third they have given in rupees. So you will write this, put a rupees symbol, 0.75 plus 0.25 you will write as it is, 148. Now here there is no any digit, put a 0. Now do the simple addition. 10, point under point, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10, again carry 1, 10, carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So 6,000 rupees. Okay student, in this way you will solve your problem set 41 in your notebook.